In this video, I'll show you how to quickly assemble these metal wire shelving units. These are pretty popular on Amazon and eBay. This particular one was about $70 and it's 72 inches high by 48 inches wide. It comes together in a box like this, and so all the parts are kind of taken apart. It's a 4-shelf unit here, and you have to thread the pipes together a little bit. I'll show you how that works. So you have basically the pipes and then the metal shelves. And first, the 4 pipes that go on the ground, you can either put a wheel on them or they have these little rubber feet that are adjustable. Then you have these plastic clamps that go on both sides of the pipe. And so you'll just put them together. There's an arrow saying which side is top because they're tapered so that as the shelf goes down over top of them, it pinches the clamp together and holds the shelf in place. So you want to tip the first shelf, the very bottom shelf, on its side, and then you'll put in the 4 poles with the clamps on them, and then gravity kind of holds it together. You can push down and get these secured, and then again do the same thing with the next shelf, and you can adjust these however you want. There's like 1-inch increments about of the different heights you can put the shelves at. And if the floor is a little uneven or the shelf is wobbly, you can adjust the feet at the bottom here to make it level and so it's not wobbling. For the second half, we have to thread in these pipes, so it has a little threaded connector that's threaded on both sides. We just thread in these pipes and it extends the rack up the additional second half. And then repeat the same steps, putting in the plastic clamps and putting the shelves where you want them. I hope this video has been informative and helped you to see how these shelves go together.